Well, the DJI Avata 360 is now coming in February 2026. It's FCC approved and ready to compete against the Insta360A1. But what about the other products? The Pocket 4, Air 4, and Mic Mini. Where are they? 2026 is shaping up to be one of the biggest years for DJI. Thanks to recent FCC filings, we now have a very clear picture of what's hitting the shelves. Whether you are a professional filmmaker or just someone who loves capturing weekend adventures, this lineup has something for everyone. From drones that can film in every direction at once to tiny microphones that weigh next to nothing, DJI is clearly trying to stay ahead of the curve. Let's dive into the details and find out exactly what's coming. The DJI Avata 360 is the star of the show for early 2026. As the name suggests, this isn't just your standard FPV drone. It is designed to capture a full 360-degree spherical view while flying. Imagine the agility of the Avata 2, but with the ability to reframe your shots in post-production just like an Insta360 camera. It has already cleared the FCC hurdles, and retailers are hinting at a February launch with a price tag starting around $999. This drone is perfect for creators who want that immersive, look-anywhere feel without worrying about where the camera is pointed during the flight. It's built with the classic ducted cinehoop design, making it safe to fly indoors or near people, which is a huge plus for creative videography. This is the one everyone has been waiting for. After the massive success of the Pocket 3, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to arrive in early 2026, with some leaks pointing to January or March. The big rumor here is a dual camera system or a much larger 1-inch square sensor that could potentially shoot 6K video. DJI has reportedly focused on making the gimbal even sturdier to handle the new optics. One of the most exciting leaked features is AI-powered framing, which would allow the camera to intelligently follow you even more smoothly than before. If you're a vlogger, this is likely going to be your new best friend, especially with its improved low-light capabilities and variable aperture. The Lito X1 is a bit of a mystery, but it's one of the most exciting names on the FCC list. Many insiders believe this is a brand new product category for DJI. Some think it's an experimental, ultra-light drone designed specifically for indoor or stealth flying, while others suggest it might be a specialized drone for enterprise or mapping. What we do know is that it's compact and designed for visual brilliance. It's rumored to support 6K recording and have advanced obstacle avoidance that rivals DJI's much larger drones. Because it's already FCC approved, we won't have to wait long to see if Lito becomes the new name for a super mini drone series. The Air series is DJI's Goldilocks drone, not too small, not too big, just right. The DJI Air 4 is expected to drop in mid to late 2026 to replace the Air 3. The big upgrades here are likely to be in the battery life and transmission range. We are looking at potential flight times of 45 to 50 minutes and the new O4 Plus transmission system, which makes the connection between the drone and the controller rock solid even in crowded cities. While the Air 3S gave us a great sensor upgrade, the Air 4 is expected to bring a totally redesigned airframe with thicker arms and more powerful motors to handle windy conditions even better. It's the perfect tool for the serious hobbyist who wants pro-level features without the Mavic price tag. For DJI isn't just about visuals anymore. They are becoming a powerhouse in audio. The DJI Mic Mini 4, often just called the Mic Mini, is a tiny square transmitter that clips onto your shirt with a magnet. It's about half the size of the already small DJI Mic 2, weighing in at roughly 10 grams. The goal here is invisibility. It's designed to connect directly to your DJI camera or phone via Bluetooth without needing a separate receiver, though a professional charging case is still included for long-range recording. With 48-bit internal recording and a battery life that can last all day, it's being marketed as the essential accessory for every mobile filmmaker. If you've ever felt like a traditional lavalier mic was too bulky for your t-shirt, the Mic Mini 4 is the solution you've been waiting for. The smartphone gimbal isn't dead. It's just getting smarter. The Osmo Mobile 8P, the P standing for Pro, is expected to launch alongside the Pocket 4. The standout feature discovered in its FCC documentation is a 360-degree infinite pan axis. This means the gimbal can spin in circles forever while tracking a subject, allowing for creative vortex shots and seamless panoramas. It will also be the first DJI gimbal to fully support Apple Dock Kit, meaning it can track subjects natively within the iPhone's own camera app and even on FaceTime calls. With a built-in extension rod that's longer than previous models and an integrated multifunctional module that houses a fill light and a microphone receiver, it's basically a professional film crew that fits in your pocket. Lastly, to go along with all these new drones, DJI is releasing the RC Mini. This is a compact version of their popular screen-equipped controllers. Many pilots find the current RC2 a bit too large for casual travel, so the RC Mini shrinks the footprint while keeping a high-brightness screen. It's the perfect companion for the Lito X1 and the Avata 360, allowing you to fly without needing to plug in your phone. Despite its smaller size, it still features the full suite of physical buttons and dials that pro pilots love, including custom C buttons on the back. It's all about making the grab-and-go flight experience as smooth as possible without sacrificing the professional control you need for high-stakes shots. It is incredibly exciting to see DJI pushing the boundaries of what's possible in 2026. Whether you are looking for the immersive thrills of the Avata 360 or the pocket-sized power of the Pocket 4, there is a lot to look forward to this year. These 7 products represent the pinnacle of current tech. And since they've already cleared the FCC, you won't have to wait much longer to get your hands on them.